What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. And today, this shop, it needs to continue to be cleaned. Hopefully, we can get it cleaned sometime soon. But no, there's a lot of big moves that's happened. Today I'm solo. Everyone send get well to Brian. He had some gallbladder issue. He had surgery. He's fine. He's recovering. He's home. But everyone send out your love to Brian. Feel better, buddy. But until he's back to 100%, it's just me out here. So I think the best way to do this for my sanity is work in one direction and work my way that way. I'm just organizing. A lot of this stuff is kind of like trash, sorting it for like either going to the scrapyard or just straight trash. Some of it we're keeping, and then now that we have the shelving the way we want it, we're probably going to try and put stuff on shelving where it needs to go as well. Brian and I kind of talked and figured these shelves, they're going to temporarily get that one and that one. We're going to lay them flat against all the way over here in this space. That's kind of just temporary, but it kind of gets it out the way and opens up the shop in this area. And I know I say open up loosely because there's still just a lot of crap everywhere. But we're getting through it. I actually have sold some stuff. I've got all that wire sold already, and then we've got some other stuff. Potential buyer for the motors. So yeah, working on it. Some of this stuff may end up just a scrap. We'll see. But I'm trying to probably, I think that shelf is too wide to slip into this little nook. So it'll probably be flush right here. And we could probably stash something in this corner anyways. And yeah, but flat against this wall. Turn this shelf flat, which I'm saying like just turn it, like easier said than done. No, we're probably gonna have to lift everything off, disassemble, at least till the shelf is not loaded to where you can turn it. And that one I'm just gonna disassemble and reassemble over here. I'm not even gonna try and move that over. So yeah, but I'm gonna start on that far corner first for my own sanity, and hopefully Brian will be up to 100% before it's time to move these shelves. So yeah, I guess gotta stop talking. I gotta get to work. Welcome back, people. Guess who's up and at 'em?
What's going on, folks?
You know, tell the people what happened?
What happened is I had a gangrenous gallbladder. So it wasn't just infected, it was infected trying to kill me. So now I don't have it anymore. I just have bloating and a bunch of incision marks and some pain. But yeah, I don't have a gallbladder anymore. Guess you don't need
it. Well, we're happy you're still around, Brian.
Yeah. It was kind of a, man, my stomach hurts. Oh, I'm leaving. This all happened Monday. Ugh. All right, well, I'll try to work this off. It's not working. I'm going home. 20 minutes after I got home, I'm headed to the hospital. An hour after I got into the hospital and had my CT scan, they booked a room and said I had surgery the next day. So, hey. So.
Yeah, you only have to take one COVID test.
And only one COVID, my first ever COVID test in 2.5 years of this pandemic. Surprisingly enough, it was negative.
Shocker. But what you guys, I don't think this corner's been bare in many years, many moons. So I'll give you guys an idea of what I've been doing. So besides just cleaning this floor, like I don't think we've ever seen this much floor space.
No.
Clean. No, I don't think we have. But yes, so this is metal scrap. This is the stuff that I'm going to take to the scrapyard. I've had a bunch of these cages behind the shop. Very convenient. We're going to just lift this up, put it in the bed of the truck, and that's going to help with that. Yes. Trash can, obviously. Buckets on buckets on buckets. And trash cans. Not sure yet. Trash, and that's empty cardboard boxes. So we cleaned this. Well, I cleaned this space. He supervised because, good man, he did not try to lift or move anything.
10-pound limit. And if you look around, there's not a whole lot in here that's wait here. It's under 10 pounds, so.
Yeah. So, but we're gonna shift the toolboxes. Like all of our toolbox is gonna be right here. So next, I get to dig out Brian's toolbox, which ironically is an easier feat than digging out my toolboxes.
He ain't lying.
So yeah, I gotta dig out Brian's toolbox, and I'm gonna shift.
Probably the easiest route will just be to open that other door. We still have to get over there and open that other door, and just move those couple
items over there.
Items out of the way, and then just wheel the thing out that way, rather than trying to.
You sir are a genius.
Trying to create a path there.
That's the route I'm gonna take. That's why you're supervising. But yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna get back to work because this shop's not gonna organize itself. And Brian's gonna get some more rest. Well, he's gonna go walk around Walmart.
I'm gonna go walk around Walmart. I've reached the point of my recovery that I want to go walk around Walmart because I'm tired of sitting in my apartment and there's nothing else to do. I have hit a lot of golf balls today, though. Short shots. Don't worry, people. Short shots.
Yes.
I'd rather not bust stitches out of my belly button.
Exactly.
If any of you are wondering, when they pull your gallbladder out, that's where they pull it out of. Right above your belly button. Which is the most inconvenient place to have your skin glued back together.
Very true.
And them say, oh yeah, try not to pull that apart.
You can pull it apart getting out of bed.
Yeah. Getting in bed, sitting down, standing up. Don't engage your abs. Thanks, modern medicine.
Oh boy. All right, buddy. You enjoy?
You too. Have fun cleaning. We'll see you later, peeps.
Yeah. I'm getting back to work. You still get to see this ugly mug or pretty mug. Depends on who's watching.
In perfect color balance.
In perfect color balance. Exactly. I still need to pull down those light fixtures. That's a Leader Gary problem. Welcome back, guys. Whew. I'm tired. But we got Brian's toolbox over there. Mine are still in the trailer, so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit. We need to finish this before we even start trying to unload and put more stuff in this shop. Yeah, there's more stuff coming. But this area is nice and cleaned. Like, I could almost fit 2 cars if you push them in tightly, which makes me happy. So when we were joking about the amount of shop towels we found, not that red tote, that's empty. But everything else, those are just the shop rags that we found. So we've got 30 years of supply of shop rags, maybe. We'll see. But I am done. I'm tired, and I think we're gonna call that a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing, because we're gonna keep until we finish all of this. If you like this type of video, hit the like button and comment down below. Let us know what you thought. And send well wishes to Brian. He's up and around, but he's still not 100% yet. But thank you guys. Have a good one. Peace.